Gucci. I ride with them harness on me, I got the Gucci. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on 4G.
What's good, y'all? So, you see my hair, you see what it's giving. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. So, I want to do an Aztec clay mask. So, this is what you're going to need. First, you're going to need some Aztec clay. You can get this wherever, whatever you get. I don't care. Just get it from some motherfucking where. You can get it from Walmart, Walgreens, Corner Store, anywhere. Just get it. But you're going to need that. You're going to need some cranberry apple. Don't ask why I got the cranberry apple cider vinegar. Yeah. Next, you're going to need some conditioner. You don't have to add this, but I add this because first off and foremost, I like my hair to be real soft. And this is just top tier. So once you do that, you're going to need a little knife. You're going to have to mix all this shit together. It's going to measure with your heart. Measure with your heart. I don't care how much, how little you want. Just make sure it's enough for you. Okay? I felt like I was over here cooking crack, trying to make sure this shit didn't rock up and trying to make sure it's smooth and all type of shit like that. Just do it to the best of your little abilities. Okay, so now mix. Keep mixing. Add everything together. Conditioner. And once you're finished mixing it up, come back to your hair and take that raggedy rat nest down. Bring it down. I got this little plastic thing, it clips or whatever. I don't know where the hell I got it from, but all I know is that motherfucker works wonders. If your hair nappy like mine, it might be a task. But next, what you gonna motherfucking do is after you finish doing this shit, you gonna section it. You gonna section it like that motherfucking sectional in your auntie, your mama's, your granny's, whoever's house. And if you ain't looking like Lord Farquaad in the middle of this motherfucking process, you ain't doing it right. Boo. It's the hood in me. Oh, it's the hood in me. Let me stop. But go ahead, get back to section of that hair. You put in, however you want to look. You can look like Thug Nivison. You can look like Tootie Raw. You can look like anybody. Just know, after you do it, wet that shit and apply that shit heavily. Put so much in there that you know every single crevice and inch of your head is covered. Make sure to put it on your scalp too, because it's going to be good for your scalp. I ain't lying. Side note, I just want to say I look so motherfucking good. Look at me. I'm frowning a little bit, but damn. Yeah. But guess what? If you don't love you, who will? Because I sure like. And I will say, to make sure that shit is spread out evenly, go ahead and detangle with the detangling comb or rake your hands through that. That's what I did throughout the whole time. It's going to help with the process. You don't want to just slap that shit on there. You want to, do your big one with it. Make sure them curls popping with it. Shit. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot how much hair I had. After doing just one side, I felt like Taraji P. Henson in that one movie when she was building spaceships. Just tired and mad. One thing about it though, I felt like a bad bitch. Look at that inches. Look at them curls. Ooh. Ooh, bald head who? Not you. Head full of hair. Look at my hang time. I remember one time this motherfucker tried to say I ain't had no good grade of hair. Look at me now. Ain't shit nappy now. Well, a little bit. What is it giving? It's giving very much Bobbiano. Bob. I went ahead and did the other half off camera. But once you motherfucking finish, this is what it's going to look like. After you finish your goddamn hair, this is what it's going to look like. If your hair long, it might look different. If it's short, it might look different. But guess what? This is how I look while it's finished. See that? Look at that. On forehead and everything. But it's okay. We're going to get in the shower and do this. So I'll be back. We back and we drive. Just trust the process. Trust the process. Just trust it. It's going to look funny. Bam. Did I scare you? Your hair should look happy and healthy. Now you can twist, style, do it, dread it however you want. Now you're done. Toodles.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.